Damiano may turn over. His first baby attempt at rolling. If he actually does it, Mom's gonna have to run to catch him. Oh! Come on, little fella! Almost there! Almost there! I'm scared I'm gonna have to catch him. Whoa!